Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you how to create a quiz on your Instagram story by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure that you already do an update for your Instagram application. And after you open it, sign into the account and make sure you are in the home section. And whenever you're already in the home section, slide your screen into the right side until you have access into your story section. And now you just need to pick the picture for your content. Here I already have the picture. And now to create a quiz, you just need to take a look on this upper part here and just go click these sections. And after that, scroll into downside until you found a quiz. And then you just need to go click it. And now add the questions here. So for example, what doll is it? And after that, given options here, for example, here a chicken, duck, or let's say a worm. And now after you're done adding the quiz, just go click done. Now adjusting the positions and the size, and whenever you're done, you just need to upload this story into your account. So that is the way how to create quiz on your Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.